Hey guys, it's been over 50 days since my Uber rider pooped in my backseat. It still haunts me. I wake up in the middle of the night sweating from nightmares about it. The smell is too vivid in my memory. So yesterday I rewatched the same videos again to relive the trauma. That's right. I went back to the crime scene to investigate for possible clues that may have led up to this horrific incident. To recap, a gentleman did the lovely deed of taking a sneaky poo in my backseat. Neither me or his coworker realized this, but since it was the girl who requested the Uber, she received the email of a $150 fee and a picture of the poop. Yes, $150. That's all it takes to poop in an Uber. So if you ever have an emergency so bad, order Uber X. Or get Uber SUV if you're feeling fancy and hop in the trunk and enjoy total privacy. It's clean and you get to rate your driver once you're done. But I guess I found some sort of satisfaction in knowing that they were about to board a plane and then his innocent, unknowing coworker is going to get an email notification of the incident. So here is what happened. Hey. Yes, it is. Yes, I can.
Hold your arms. Where'd you guys go to?
This place called Chimichurri Grill. It's on 40.
He mentions where he ate earlier with his client.
It's not that bad.
Guess where I'm never gonna eat in my life.
No. It's like a Brazilian. It's more Argentinian.
Sweet churro grill?
No, chimichurri.
Oh, chimichurri.
Chimichurri.
Churri.
Around 30 minutes into the trip, you can see him starting to panic. He wakes her up with his pinky like a first grader.
Yeah. Just like that. Are you okay?
Thinking like if the police see this or maybe people are working in the bathroom.
Yeah, excuse me, did you hear that? Sorry to,
Yeah.
if there's any, like, a stop or something.
I thought you were hungry.
No.
I wish you said something.
Sorry.
I really wish that he said something.
I also have hand wipes if you want. I get like those bathrooms are disgusting.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem. Here you go. There's also that Indian restaurant there. Maybe they can help you. Sometimes, you know, like, for lack of a better way of saying it, it happens.
God punished me for saying that.
Alrighty. Good luck. You're welcome. Sit
Thank
down.
you so much, by the way.
Yeah, no problem.
I feel that I, like, fell asleep and didn't realize he's so, like,
Oh,
must have eaten something bad.
oh man.
I know. I had to clean it.
Feel better?
Sorry. Yeah.
Yeah, no worries. It happens. If you want
I
to
feel like
jump
it's
for it
a lot
right now,
easier.
okay. Let's do it. Oh no.
To watch my full reaction after this, I'm going to leave the link in the description. It shows my horrible phone call with a terrible Uber representative, the gross aftermath of the poop, and how I'm stuck in gridlock traffic. It took me around 25 scarring minutes to drive out of the airport and get to a safe place so I can start cleaning the seat. I use Tough Stuff, by the way, which I highly recommend. And to this date, I probably did 10 separate cleanings. Sometimes I think about what I'd say to the guy if I ever saw him again. I think I'd poke him with my pinky to get his attention and ask him how his plane ride went. And then I'd serve him with court papers. Guys, it's really not okay to poop in an Uber. Please don't do it.